Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Artistic YK, and I am Yukta, and I am here with another recipe today. Today we are going to see a cupcake recipe, a classic vanilla cupcake. So let's get on to the recipe. So first, in a mixing bowl we'll add 1 cup of milk, and then to that 1 tablespoon vinegar. You can use 1 tablespoon lemon juice also. Then we'll add 1/3 cup of oil and 1 tablespoon vanilla, and then mix all the wet ingredients together. Now it's time for our dry ingredients. Take a sieve and then add 1 cup all-purpose flour, which is Maida, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon baking soda or baking powder to it. And then sieve all the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Now all the dry ingredients have sieved properly, we'll mix the dry and wet ingredients together using a whisk. Make sure that there are no lumps and you mix everything well. Now that our batter is perfectly well combined without any lumps, we'll add some tutti fruttis to it. You can add choco chips or dry fruits, but I'm using tutti frutti. Now I have lined my cupcake tray with cupcake liners, and using an ice cream scoop I'm filling all the cupcakes equally. Make sure you do that, and then we'll add some tutti fruttis on the top as well. It looks really pretty when we add tutti frutti on the top, so make sure you do that. Now bake these cupcakes in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, not more than that. And if you're making this in a kadhai, then in preheated kadhai you need to bake these cupcakes for at least 25 to 30 minutes.